Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm showing you the pottery wheel kit, and this is a picture of the front. On this side it shows you everything that you should have in the box, and then if you flip it over to the back, it gives you the instructions step by step on what you need to do. It seems very simple. Let me show you from what I pulled out of the box. Here's the pottery wheel here. And what you do is you take this part off, and then on the side you have your buttons for your on off. Is two on settings. One is a stronger turn, and then you have what you plug in, which is this here. This came in one of the packages here, so you just plug that in, and then you can turn it on. It turns on from here, like I said, and then this button here, I'll show it shortly. When I press this, it stops, and then when you release it, it goes again. So you put this is what you put on top of here. Okay, and then you follow the instructions, but let me show you everything that came with this. You have your little pack here. You have a cute little apron for your person that will be using the pottery. And then you have things that you can use for it as well. Of course, you got your clay here. It comes with 6. And then you have the colors. You have your little spray bottle, which you'll be when you be molding the clay initially before you actually start. You be using this, so you fill that with water. And then we have these. I guess they help with your process. So that is that, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, and then add water to it. Okay, just add water to yours.
It's kind of dry.
This helps it to keep it moist. Okay, now you can stop. Yep. And videotape it. I'll tell you when to stop. You can stop both hands and squeeze it. Both hands. You're trying to make it look like that. So that's it. Get those walls. Make those walls thinner. Okay. I'm trying to make it. You see how I'm doing? And then I have you use one of the two. The twos are also good for decorating.